Hey, welcome back. Had a 28-degree start this morning, getting a 65-degree finish on the day. Pretty nice turnaround there. Well, we got our lug bolts in, getting that put together now. Kevin's here working away. I did get a few questions about the lug bolts. Why did it take 9 lug bolts to strip out till we stopped? That's a good question. Let's go see what Kevin has to say. Well, we've hit a snag on the track system. Just have a few questions for the manufacturer. I'm going to move on to putting the wheels on the trailer because Bob finished his job. Alright, lugs are all fastened. Time to jack it up, get it off the jacks and down on the ground. It's a balancing act. If you lower the back too far, the front will shimmy off the blocks. If you lower the front too far, it'll shimmy off the jack. And there you have it. Oh, I hope there's no bumps in the road. Uh-oh. Let's go get the Mac, get her hooked up. Are you as excited as I am? Very excited. Took all day. Monroe Tractor showed up and did some work to the sprayer, and we are ready to put the sprayer on the trailer. This is the part we have been waiting for months. Lots of planning, hard work by Bob have gone into this moment right here. It's on there. We need ramps, but it's on there. We're building pressure with the airbags now, so that's not like the ground height, but yeah, it's pretty close to the ground. Got the answer from Soucy on what they want us to do to fix this situation. It's going to require this, and let's try a 30. We're going to take this off, flip this around, take these spacers, put them on the outside so there's no spacing, and then these lugs will go in because of the clearance issue down here. These lugs will clear it. It'll give us our 64-inch center.
Up. Yeah.
Alrighty, Kevin's here this morning. We're going to get the track on. I think we got our row spacing where it needs to be. So here we go. Move it up. Definitely learned the first time the hard way that soap makes a huge difference, so lube it up, baby. You push that idler down, that pivot down.
Drive in a little bit. Hold it. Push it in.
Well, this track will not go on. Talked with Soucy. Soucy talked with their engineers. This bracket for this tractor for the rear end is a newer style bracket. So with newer style brackets come newer style problems. So the distance between the sprocket and the carriage has increased. So we need to jack it up, flip a pin, see if we can get this track on, and then check the tension. So we are R&D department for Soucy Tracks today. Let's get to it.
Put on over 700. Remember?
Now the socket's not the right size either. Hold on, that's.
Oh, you got the things on there still.
Oh yeah, Rain, what are you doing? I gotta pull the other bolt. I got
Sorry,
the one, but you
Cameron.
were taking the wheel off. I couldn't.
Sorry, Cameron. Oh, good. I'm glad I got that on camera.
Delete that.
Oh, that's on camera?
There you go. Plan is to
Where does this line up?
flip that pin. Gives us a 1/2 inch more of clearance, and it should go on like the other side that I wasn't here for because my son missed the bus because he wasn't listening to the babysitter.
Ready, stand, brother?
Are these torqued down right?
Park them up to where they really is.
See, Kevin, you just wanted to quit and go home, and we said, Kevin, just have faith. We can do it. Final touches have been put on the trailer. Clean it up, get it ready for paint next week. It's getting to be that time where we better get our butts in gear. It's the last real week that we have to do stuff like this. So, we're gonna hammer down, get this ready to roll. You haven't seen us grade many onions lately. Well, it hasn't been real fun. A lot of pressure from Mexico, Peru, and early on Canada. The import market has been killing us this year. It's driving prices below cost, and it's just really unnecessary for it to be at this point, but it is. Well, the Soucy track system is on. We played with it a little bit, made sure clearance was good when you turn, but glad to get that on. One more thing, ready for spring. Well, it's been nice hanging with you. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next week. Peace.